With the identity of 9 civilians killed in Toboso Negros confirmed, the ASEAN Parliamentarians for Human Rights called out the chairship of the Philippines and said we're allowing the AFP to violate international humanitarian law. Meron po silang sinabi doon na a government that kills civilians and calls them terrorists cannot lead a region toward democratic governance.
Okay, tanong ko, Ivy. Ito ba ay decision na nila? May decision na ba silang nakuha? Is this a conclusion? Is it already a decided situation? Or ito lang ang preliminary or initial nilang nasabi? So, as of now, alam po natin na ayon sa AFP, sa pamumuno po ni General Bronner, sinabi po niya na ito ay isang lehitimong military operations. Babanggitin ko po ang kanyang sinabi. And I quote, "The armed forces of the Philippines firmly reject claims that the Toboso encounter was an indiscriminate attack on civilians. Evidence on the ground confirms a legitimate armed engagement with members of the New People's Army, not the targeting of non-combatants. The AFP operates under international humanitarian law and strict rules of engagement to safeguard civilian lives and will fully cooperate with any lawful and independent investigation, confident in the integrity of its operations and adherence to due process." End of quote. So, sa atin po, maganda po naman talaga na mayroong mga ahensya na tumitingin at nangangalaga ng karapatang pantao. Pero sa atin, hindi po siguro dapat muna magbigay ng konklusyon kung wala pang full-blown hearing, trial, na masasabi natin na meron ng mga taong guilty sa sinasabing violation of human rights.
But Yusek, kinumpirma po mismo ng CPP na hindi sa kanila yung 9 civilians po, hindi miyembro ng NPA. So they're calling for accountability, yung ASEAN Parliamentarians for Human Rights, for the AFP to take accountability for the deaths of those 9 civilians. Any comment po?
Of course, nakikiramay po tayo kung meron mga taong nabawian ng buhay. Pero as of now, kung yan po ang sinasabi nila, meron din naman pong version ang AFP. Kaya kinakailangan po talaga na masisinang pag-iimbestiga rito at open naman po ang AFP patungkol dito.